Hello there, I am Sonic. Let's introduce noise levels. You might have seen this chart containing noise levels. The unit is measured in decibels. Please be sure not to even damage your speakers when I play the sound. Here are the examples of sound effects. At the green range, here's rustling leaves, at threshold frequency. Moderate rainfall. Conversation of people. Industrial fans. And traffic noise. That's between 0 and 60 decibels. At the yellow range, this is a chainsaw or car horn. That's between 70 and 80 decibels. At the orange range, say between 80 and 90 decibels, this is a circular saw. At the red range and above, it's going to be above 100 decibels. People should wear ear protections. This is a train horn. Firecrackers. Jet engine. Rocket.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And here comes the powerful explosion, atomic bomb. You can find any other example like animals, alarm clocks, and others. We heard the atomic bomb over 200 decibels, with a violent explosion. Into the history we go for it. There was a sudden destruction of cities in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, 1948 in Japan. The harmful radiation remained in that state. An American B-29 bomber plane called Enola Gay dropped an atomic bomb on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The city was immediately flattened. Around 80,000 people were killed as a direct result of the blast, and another 35,000 were injured. Soon, radiation lasted up to 4 months. The people collected any unburned materials they could find and began rebuilding their homes and their lives. This can relate to Chernobyl disaster, in USSR, in Ukraine that the power plant had exploded. Amy Rose will explain you in the next video. Noise levels can also cause permanent hearing loss, tinnitus, causing a ringing ears in the head, high blood pressures, anxiety, and depression, that bothers us, and heart attack. Everybody must follow the warning signs of noise, okay? In terms of conversion, 1 bell is a large unit, must be used in decibel, abbreviation of dB. This equals 10 decibels. Maximum single digit of bell is 9, which is very loud. Also, the logarithmic function contains multiples of 10, depending on number of zeros. Further, we start with logarithm of 1, which is 0. Logarithm of 0 is not possible, the result is negative infinity, as we have discussed earlier in xy functions. Logarithm of 10 is 1. For 100, that is 2. 1000 will have 3 zeros, is 3, and so on, increasing the exponent power. Log of x is an inverse curve function. The formula is beta equals log 10th base I, divided by I naught. I is the intensity of sound, measured in watts per meter squared, but this can be dimensionless, measured in decibels. We further note that sound is spherical in nature. Subscribe to see more related videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching.